x2 then minus x3 equal to 0. Now let us assume value for x3. So x3 is equal to k1. So from this equation we can write x2 is equal to or minus 7 x2 is equal to x3. So x2 is equal to x3 divided by minus 7, that is minus k1 divided by 7. Then from the first equation we can write x1 is equal to minus 3 x2 minus 2 x3. Now put the values of x2 and x3 here. So minus 3 into x2 is minus k1 by 7, then minus 2 into k1, that is equal to, so here we will get 3 minus 14, that is minus 11 by 7 k1. So the solutions are x1 is equal to